Okay, Jack, let's give this a try.
That's hot.
Hi everyone and welcome back to Is It Done Yet? And today Jackie and I will be showing you how to make a simple and delicious chicken pot pie.
That's right, it'd be perfect for your family dinner or just whenever you're craving some comfort food.
So let's get going. We've placed our milk, chicken stock and some dried thyme, and we're going to add our chicken breasts to this. There we go. And we'll pop the lid on and we'll leave this to simmer for approximately 15 minutes.
So our chicken's cooked and we've reserved our stock. Now we're going to shred our chicken. And we're also going to put that to one side with the stock and then add that when we cooked our vegetables.
Okay, so we've prepared our vegetables. We've chopped our onions, carrots and celery and some garlic there. And in a pan we've melted 2 tablespoons of butter along with a drizzle of oil, which just helps to stop the butter from burning. So to this now we're going to add our onions. Go. We'll just soften them for a few minutes. So the onions have been cooking for approximately a minute or so now, and we're going to add the garlic. So we'll cook that for about another minute or until the garlic's fragrant.
Now I'm going to add our carrots and our celery. We're going to cook them until they've softened slightly. Leave them now to cook through. So our vegetables are all softened, so now we can add our flour. Right, so that's our flour added. And we're just going to give that a stir. And then we're going to leave that for about a minute just to get the raw taste of the flour out of the soup.
So we've turned up the heat slightly and now it's time to add the stock back in. We'll give that a stir for a moment.
That's been cooking for a few minutes and it's nice and reduced now. We're now going to add our cheese. And just let that melt through. Once we've melted that through, then we just check it for seasoning.
So we've turned the heat off and we've added a little bit of salt and pepper to that to season it. And now we're going to add the chicken back and then some peas. Go, stir the chicken in. And add the peas. So we're going to leave that to cool now for a while before we assemble our pie.
Right, so I've cut the pastry to fit our dish. Now you can either do what we've done and buy store-bought pastry, or you can make your own.
So now we're ready to add the pie mixture into our pie dish and then pop our pastry on top. Go.
Right, so now we're going to pop on our pastry lid and then we're going to chuck all the edges in. We're just going to chuck it all in and then we're going to add our egg wash.
Okay, so now we're going to prick the pastry all over and then apply an egg wash before we pop it into the oven. There we go, we're going to pop that into the oven for approximately 30 minutes.
Well, this should be ready now. Let's take it out. Oh, that looks nice. Really nice. Who wouldn't want to come home to that? Right, let's serve this up. Oh, the smell. Oh, that looks lovely. Serve it with your favourite veg. Beautiful.
Right then, Jack, let's give this a taste.
Yeah. Absolutely. That's beautiful. Hot. Absolutely delicious.
Really nice. So definitely give that a try and let us know in the comments below what you thought of it.
And we'll see you next time on Is It Done Yet?
Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay, Jack, let's give this a go.
Is that right? Go. Give this a taste.
Hi everyone and welcome back to Is It Done Yet? And today Jackie and I will be showing you how to make a delicious and simple chicken pot pie.
That's right, Charlotte, and it's absolutely perfect for a cosy night in with the family.
So let's get started. Cosy night in with the family. Hi everyone and welcome back to Is It Done Yet? And today Jackie and I will be showing you how to make a simple and delicious chicken pot pie.
That's right, it's perfect for a family meal and it's...
Okay Jack, let's give this a try.
Oh,
That was hot.